missing then?
I don't know how to record.
I don't think the video is gonna do it justice.
Well, there's your grand finale.
I don't. It's cooler to watch it in real life.
Does it have sound?
Yeah.
This is David Martin and Leigh Flannery's first firework 4th of July ever on her 164 gigabyte iPhone. The grand finale is coming up and it's going to be fantastic.
Here, hold on, wait. It's too dark, I can't see you.
Wait for a big one and then
Okay,
I'll do
okay.
it.
Okay, oh, missed it. I love those waterfall-y looking ones, or fountain.
Phenomenal, phenomenal.
It's still too dark.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. That is
Weeping
so
willow
big. I know. Jeez. Okay. I think I'm going to be done recording now.
We're done. Enjoy it.
Okay.